In this video, we are going to learn how to accept admin request of a Facebook page. Well, you can see I'm into my Facebook account and I have switched already into my Facebook page. First of all, we will learn how to send admin request, right? So like I want to add a person in my admin list of this Facebook page, so I will go to the settings. Okay, in the left side we have an option of page setup. In the page access, you can give access to anybody. Next, so whomsoever like you want to give the page admin access, you just simply need to select that particular person name and you can simply click on give access to send the admin access. Right now, the person who have received the admin request, right, he or she needs to approve it, then only he or she would be able to manage the page. Like I have already sent a admin request on this particular Facebook account of my previous account page, right? So like we are going to accept from this account. So I guess I would have received the notification. Let me check. Okay, so yeah, here is the invitation request, right? Avinash Parikh invited you to manage startup Sabha page. So what we can do is like we can simply visit on this particular notification and approve the request. Else I would also tell you the another way. So I've clicked on this notification and you can see here is an option or button of review invitation. From here we can simply click on it and accept the invitation. If you have not received the notification, then what is the alternate way? You can simply search the page name from that Facebook account on which you have sent the admin request, right? So I have searched for Startup Sabha, right? And I will go into the pages. Here is the page. I will simply open it, and when I will open that particular page, then automatically I will get an option of review invitation, right? After clicking on review invitation, I will simply click on next and accept. That's all, right? I just need to enter my password, so I'm entering it. Okay, so I have accepted the admin request of a Facebook page, right? So this is all. If you want to learn digital marketing course, then kindly check the video description. We have mentioned our website's link over there. Just simply visit on that website and explore our course, and you can purchase directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.